Hey YouTube, we're gonna do Mambo Sun. I got to be the one for you. It's only got 3 chords, and it was recently covered by the Pixies, and that's when I started to think about doing it. Originally, it's by the group called T-Rex from the early 70s. They were kind of like right up there with David Bowie and maybe Elton John, that kind of level success. But their lead singer passed away, unfortunately, at an early age, and that's why you may not be familiar with them, but they were big. Marc Bolen was the guy's name. And this is very simple. It's got an E power chord. We're just playing the A string at the 2nd fret, and we're playing the low E string. It's got a C sharp power chord. We're just playing the 4th fret on the A string. We're playing the 6th fret on the D string. That's your C sharp power chord. It goes back to D. I'm going to do a demo, but I'm just kind of showing you what's in the song. This is more of a beginner lesson. Then the 3rd chord is a B7. We're going to play this little triangle shape for the B7. On the A string, low A, we have our middle finger, our 2nd finger, and it's on the 2nd fret. Our index finger is going to be on the D string, our 4th string, the 1st fret, and our ring finger is going to be on the G string at the 2nd fret. It makes a little triangle pointing that way. Now you can't, this is taught like this for the full chord, but we're just playing the low strings. Playing just strings 5, 4, and 3. So we don't have to do anything with our pinky on this song. Beneath the Mambo sun, I got to be the one who went for you. Beneath the alligator rain, you're so strange. It's a kind of a fun song. It's just like, it's almost like a humorous kind of wordplay. So that we go 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Kind of got a triplet feel. 1, 2, 3, bum ba dum bum. There's some other funny lyrics in this. He sings, on the mountain range, I'm Dr. Strange for you. So it's all kind of funny lyrics like that. And that's like the kind of refrain of each one is, for you, for you. Beneath the, and they go back. They say beneath the main ones, the first and the last are beneath the moon. I'm howling like a loon for you. Beneath the Mambo sun, I gotta be the one for you, for you. All right, it's a great song, so I had fun with it, and it's a good, perfect beginner song. I would put a little light overdrive or a light distortion on your guitar, and it kind of fattens up the sound. When you play those power chords, the more distortion you have, the more it's going to give it a more substantial sound. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It helps me with YouTube. And bye.